Take off.
The cheapest drone we could find on AliExpress. This one. P11C and something on the Chinese. This camera. AK, but I think it's fake. 8 AK. What we have here? Spare propellers. Guards for safety. Yeah, and there is mini USB for charger. A battery. We have 2 batteries here. Lithium, and to charge it we need to put it like this to your laptop or computer or USB charger. Yeah, understand. We will charge it. Then here we have a remote control with a lot of joysticks, turn on, turn off, camera, video, and here we can put my phone, something like this maybe. And we can fly like this. Cool. Take the drone. Here is a camera. You can move it up and down. Let's try to. Wow. Actually cool. Here. And here is a lights. Move it this way. To click. To protect our propellers, we need this stuff. Cool. Let's put the battery. Battery is here. And here we need 3 AAA battery. To take battery out, we need to push here and stuck it like this. We charged this battery and put it on his place. There is 3 battery here. Yeah, we do it. Now we need to connect our drone to our remote and to our phone. For phone we need to download an application. This link is for Android. Scan per code function. And open link. And then choose where you would like to download it, from China or from Google Play. I download from Google Play. Try to turn on all the systems, maybe. It is working. Then turn it on to all. It is connected on Wi-Fi settings. This one, you see, we need to connect to this. We get stream from the drone. It's like this. Cool. You can make photos, make videos when flying. Okay, let's put it here. like this. We can make photo, and here we can start to shoot video. So, do you see the recording is starting? Okay, we did it. Next, shot direction remote level. Power switch. It's working. To start fly is here. Okay, to emergency land is here too. There is lever to move forward and back, or right and left. Here is a button to start camera. Here is you can rotate your camera. But it's not a, yeah, it's move down and up. You can move it down and up. Wow, cool. Cool, it's for camera. It's start to film, and this start to make a photo. This one is adjustment, right adjustment to fly. Let's try to make some flies. And we start. Hooray! We did our first fly! We need to have a lot of experience to fly better. But first fly was okay. Let's have some training. I make the adjustment and we'll try to
the camera is moving.
yeah, it's working.
Yeah, right around, top around.
What high we can reach?
45 or 49?
Very high. I try to film something. Cheap Chinese wood, but it's fly actually well.
So we found out new mode the drone has. So this is for double
This one.
speed.
Double
So
speed.
change the speed. And this one we're not too sure about it, but we think it spins around.
Spins around
Its axis.
330 degrees.
Yeah. 360.
Yeah. What is this one?
This is to take off. I
To
mean.
take a what?
And land and stop.
And land and stop. Okay. This one?
I think that's to turn off gyro.
Gyro. Okay. When you push before fly, you need to push this like this one
To restart the gyro.
to restart the gyro. Yeah. Maybe to adjust it. And this one is to rotate camera. Actually, it is very good, maybe not so good, but it's okay. A drone for beginners to start fly.
Yeah.
Let's do some flights.
Yes. Okay, come back. Where again?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, put it on. Take off. I can see everything. It's a bit delayed, but yeah. Maybe not too good for a TV, but 360.
Bye-bye. Landed. I think the battery is.
Oh.
It's crash landing.